Hi there, here are the Boat Airdopes 621. The only reason this stands out from the rest of the TWS earphones is the case. So not only does this charge your earphones, but it also comes with a built-in power bank to charge your phone. Wow, that's interesting. So you have earphones and power bank 2-in-1 in your pocket. So I've actually already unboxed it and I've been using it for a couple of days. Inside the box, you get a lot of paperwork, including a user manual and a warranty card. A USB-C to USB-A flat charging cable and a couple of earbuds and wings. So let's talk about the charging case. So it's got a plastic build with the Boat branding on the top. On the front is a cover, and behind that you can see the USB-C port to charge the case and USB-A port to charge the phone. On the top is a small LED display that turns on when you open the lid. It shows you the battery percentage of the case and the earphones. That's actually a really nice touch and makes it stand out from the rest. The hinge is made of plastic and feels quite good. The case isn't light, and obviously it has a much bigger battery than any TWS earphones. Now it weighs 129 grams, which isn't really too heavy. It comes with a 2600 mAh battery, which if you just use to charge your earphones, it will provide you 150 hours of music time. Wow, 150 hours. Now it's not that this is like a full-fledged power bank. It's like an emergency one that you use when your phone battery is dying. Now considering most phones that we buy today are 4000, 5000 and even 7000 mAh battery, it's never going to even fully charge once. So you can use this as a backup power bank. Its primary objective is convenience. You can keep the case in your pocket and now you have both a power bank and earphones. Though it won't be the most comfortable case in your pocket because obviously it's bulky. Also, usually I keep my power bank in my back pocket, which is usually because most are solid and like bricks. But this one definitely is not going in my back pocket. This is something you keep either in your bag or in your front pocket so that you don't damage it. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the earphones. So it's got a simple butt design with wings on the top for better grip. You have a Boat logo on the top and one mic on the side for phone calls and voice assistant. So it comes with 6mm drivers and supports Bluetooth 5.0. Let's wear them and see. Oh, that's quite nice. That is fast also. Okay, so they're actually quite comfortable. However, I'm not sure how long they're going to stay in, but thanks to those wings, they should provide a good grip. Oh, by the way, they also come with IPX7 rating. So wearing these in the rain or gym while you sweat is fine. Coming to the sound quality. Just like other Boat earphones, hard-hitting bass, decent mids and decent highs. It's the kind of music that most people like, loud and thumpy. Now don't look for great audio fidelity here, but it's still good for casual listening and gymming. It also comes with tap controls, so you can change the track, you can pause play music, you can answer and reject calls, even wake up the voice assistant, Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant for Android. But there is no way to control the volume. You can only do it from the phone, or actually you can even use the voice system. But it's going to be a really slow process. I would advise you reach your phone for the controlling the volume. You can also use these for phone calls, but the phone call quality isn't the best. Indoors they're still decent, but outdoors there's way too much ambient sound, so I won't recommend. The earphone's battery will last for about 5.5 hours on a single charge. Charge them for 5 minutes and you get 60 minutes of music. That's really impressive. However, the case will take around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, but of course it's a huge battery, so it will take some time. Also, a very important point, when you use your phone to charge from the case, it doesn't support quick charge, which I think is still okay. It's better than your phone battery dying. Now if I had to pick out the cons, no multi-point pairing, no gaming mode, no wireless charging, no ear detection. But what you get is basic good sounding earphones with 150 hours music playback with built-in power bank. So you can grab the Boat Airdopes 621 from the Boat website or Amazon for $2,999. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.